What's up, everybody? In this video, what I have here, check this thing out. This is a little assistant stool, pretty much indestructible. I had picked one of these things up. If you need something for like getting up into the cabinets, kind of giving a little extra reach, maybe putting something on the top of your car or getting something out of like on top of a refrigerator or something that you can't see, this will give you approximately of about 7 inches extra of height. If you want it, very compact, very easy. I carry this thing in my car for loading things on and off the top of my car. You can fold it down like that. It's very well made. Made out of this really tough ABS material. This actually locks in. I don't know if you can see it. It locks in on these grooves right here so it won't collapse on you. So once you get this thing open, it will not collapse. So once it's up, it's not gonna go in on the sides right here. It's cool they actually added that little safety feature, but then when you wanna close it up, all you do is pick it straight up like that. You don't have to fold it down and worry about pinching your fingers, because we always hate a pinched finger. So yeah, there you go, everybody. This is something I think everyone should have for a kitchen or in the back of a car or in a truck or something, just to give you that little extra height of step up when you need it. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got on this little standing stool.